win. I'm gonna win. Get this monkey off my back.
Get your ass off me. Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Oh, shit.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, great heavens.
Can't. Oh, my God. Nope, not let go.
Poppy, come here. Poppy, come here.
Get your ass off my motherfucking boat, bitch. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Get your ass off my motherfucking boat, bitch. The fuck is you talking about? Hold on. Hold on. You think what the fuck you think you doing? Watch out. One hand. One fucking. Get your ass off my. Fuck off my boat. This is my boat. It's my fucking boat. Oh shit. That's my corner.
Still on there.
Who on here? This nigga's still on here.
Come
here.
Oh.
Get his ass, shark. Get his ass, shark. I'm fighting the shark too. I'm fighting the shark too. Fuck these sharks. I'm fighting the shark too. Fuck this shark.
He holding on.
Fuck the shark.
Oh.
Get that nigga, bro. What the fuck? Ain't no damn way. Oh.
What?
You thought you could get rid of me, nigga? You thought you... Oh! You can't get rid of me, nigga. You can't get rid of me, nigga.
Drown that nigga.
I'm drowning this nigga. Nigga. What the fuck, bro? What? Come on, bro. That's whack.
Now you got TV.
No! Right when I jump? That's crazy.
Brandon said he not giving that.
Give up, nigga.
Yeah, yeah.
Get off my free. Get off my free. Get off my free. Get off. Get off my free. Where the fuck he come from?
He came in like,
No. Oh.
Yeah. They can't grab my face now, nigga.
there's no fishing.
Oh.
Get off. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Fred was still alive.
I was trying.
Fred? Yo, I can't wait to see that. They are talking now. Go back. Who this uncle? He look like he can bowl. Don't he look like he can bowl?
Keep it together, man.
Oh, you
Oh my god, bro.
Really hurting. You gotta find help. It's working. I should grab that. Stay sharp. They could be anywhere. I hope this is a way out.
Guys, everybody's on me. What the fuck?
Ah, fuck.
I need to find the others.
Come on. No. They're everywhere. Are they really gone? Damn. Did they hear that?
Stay away from me.
What's coming to you now?
I did that shit, nigga. I did that shit, nigga.
Finally, somebody made it. My god.
I did that shit, nigga. Turn that motherfucker. Sometimes you gotta turn that motherfucker. I don't know when it's gonna open, but that bitch opened.